excuse the pants. These are my work pants. These are the pants that I use when I work out in the Nova. At least one of the few that I have for working out here in the garage, the Nova. Obviously I can't use nice, clean, neat clothes to work out in the Nova, and I was doing some work as far as the reassembly goes this morning. But it's nice and sunny outside, and this video is not about me and my ripped up pants. This video is about the Nova and the nice sunny day outside. So for this video, we're going to take the car outside to get some sun. A lot of you, I'm sure, want to see the car outside in the sunlight, in natural daylight. It's one thing seeing the car inside the garage under fluorescent lighting, but it's totally another to see it outside in the sunlight. And I want to see the car outside in the sunlight. So since I'm taking the car outside to get a nice look at it, I'm going to take you guys along. And at the end of the video, since the car is outside and since I need to drive it outside, I'm going to add on a couple revs of that 454 engine. I'm sure a lot of you want to hear the sounds that the 454 is capable of, at least the one that's in my Nova. And bear in mind that the sounds that the camera will pick up, and hopefully the camera will pick up the sounds that this engine makes, because it's really loud. So I'm hoping it picks up something. But the sounds that it's going to be making are from the headers, because I don't have full exhaust, I don't have mufflers, I don't have pipes. So without further ado, let's take the car outside to get some sun. So here it is. Nova is outside in the sunlight. Let's see if we can get a shot of the metallics. So right here, there's more sun. You can pretty much see the reflection of the sun on the hood. There's a side profile. Let's go down so you can get a look at the side profile. When I installed the front bumper and the rear bumper, the stance should drop just a tad bit from the added weight. But that's the stance so far without the front and rear bumpers, and it looks great so far. That's how I envisioned it, or at least the plans I had when I was doing the suspension design, as far as, you know, putting together parts. And I got the stance the way I wanted it. I wanted that slight drop with a slight tuck, and I got it, even without the bumpers. So let's check out the, how straight the panels are. Check that out. I'm definitely proud of myself. That panel looks sweet. That whole looking down the side of the car, it looks nice and straight. Let's check out the other side. Same thing. Looking down that panel, nice and straight. I'm very proud of myself from the body work I did. There's the mirrors, chrome handles. There's the deck lid. You can see the reflection of the sky in the deck lid. Give you a shot of the roof. So it's looking really sweet out in the sunlight. I did a pretty good job in buffing it out. There's the tail end. Of course, down here it's a little dirty. I'll clean it up, but the bumper's gonna cover all that anyway. Basically, from here up is what I was worried about. I didn't buff the bottom half for the back here. And looking at it now, the color is, I guess, maybe because it's in the shadow, so the color does look a little duller. But then again, I didn't buff it out either. So here's a shot, the back shot of the side panel reflection. So I'm very, very happy with the results. very happy. I love it. I love the way it looks. All that hard work came to this moment, and I am super, super happy with the results. For those of you that want to hear the car as far as it running, and I'm going to try to throw in a couple revs just so you can hear that 454. There you go. Hope you enjoyed.